To maintain clear and healthy skin, it is crucial to adopt a skincare regimen that includes washing your face twice daily using a mild cleanser and lukewarm water. This practice helps remove dirt, oil, and other impurities without stripping your skin of natural moisture. An essential step in this routine is the application of an oil-free moisturizer, which hydrates the skin without clogging the pores. One key practice in maintaining skin health is the removal of makeup before bedtime. Makeup residue can clog pores, leading to breakouts. Additionally, it is advisable to keep items that regularly come into contact with your face, such as phone screens, pillowcases, and sunglasses, clean to prevent the transfer of dirt and bacteria onto your skin. While dealing with pimples, resist the temptation to touch or pop them. Squeezing pimples not only spreads bacteria and increases inflammation but can also result in permanent scarring. For those experiencing mild acne, over-the-counter treatments can be beneficial. Products containing benzoyl peroxide are effective in killing bacteria, drying excess oil, and removing dead skin cells. Alternatively, salicylic acid is useful for slowing down skin cell shedding and breaking down blackheads and whiteheads, keeping the skin clearer. However, if these self-care measures and over-the-counter treatments do not improve your acne after 6 to 8 weeks, or if you suffer from severe acne or scarring, it is best to consult a dermatologist. Medical professionals can offer prescriptions for stronger gels, creams, or oral medications to address the condition adequately. Understanding when to consult a specialist is vital for managing severe or persistent acne effectively, thereby minimizing the risks of long-term skin damage. Adopting the right strategies for skincare, combined with professional advice when necessary, can significantly improve your skin's health.